Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and play the new Halo Infinite beta and on your Xbox, PC, or PlayStation 5, guys. So there's this little secret way that you can actually go ahead and play it on your PlayStation console, PS4 or PS5, and yeah, on Xbox and PC, of course, because that's where Halo is playable. But also, I'm going to show you guys how you can also play it on your PS4 or PS5 really easily, and we're going to be able to set this up all with our mobile phone, guys, and get the code for the beta so we can go ahead and play it right now. I don't know how long the beta is going to be going on for. I think like maybe a week or so, but you guys can go ahead and start playing it right now after watching this video. You just have to do the steps in this tutorial, and yeah, honestly, Halo Infinite is really fun. But guys, enough of the chit chat. I'm talking too much right now. I'm just gonna hop right into the tutorial, show you guys how to play it, and let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you all exactly how to go ahead and play the Halo Infinite beta for completely free on your Xbox, PC, or PlayStation, or PS4 or PS5 device, guys. And you're going to be able to set this up all with your phone. So basically, you're going to need an iOS or Android device, guys, and you're going to need to go ahead and download this app right here. It's the Halo Infinite app. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to go ahead and download it later in the video. First, I just want to show you guys how the app works. But basically, there's the current way to go ahead and get the access to the beta is through the Halo Waypoint website, but there's so many glitches with that. I tried it out myself and I signed up for the beta program, but for some reason they just do not give me the code. I don't know if it's because there's too many people trying to get the beta or whatever, or trying to get beta access to where these servers are just not responding. Whatever the reason is, though, it does not work. If it works for you, then you're pretty lucky, but that way just does not work for me. I've tried a ton of times and I see a lot of other people having issues with that. So there's this other really easy way. All you have to do is download this Halo Infinite app, guys. It's for the beta program, and you instantly get a code for Xbox, PC, which is Steam, or your PlayStation 4 or 5, and you instantly get the code. You don't even have to sign up for anything at all. That's the cool part about this. With the Halo Waypoint method, you got to go ahead and enter your details, your birthday, your email, a lot of stuff. With this, you literally download the app, select which console you're on. So I'm going to go with PlayStation because I'm on PS5, and it will highlight it. It selects it for you, and then you type get code, and that is the code right there, guys. As you can see, PlayStation is always 12 digits. Now we just take that code and go ahead and redeem it on our PlayStation, and the Halo Infinite beta will start downloading, and now we can go ahead and play it, guys. So that is going to be how you go ahead and use this app. As you can see, it was so simple. You don't have to type in any details. Very, very convenient and fast compared to the Halo Waypoint method. But now what I'm going to go ahead and do, guys, is show you how to download this Halo Infinite app so you guys can go ahead and do this yourselves and start playing the beta for free. So let's go ahead and do it right now. So the first thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, in order to download this app is we just have to go ahead and make sure that our device is prepared for the install. So to go ahead and do that is pretty simple. So if you're on iOS, just open up the settings app, and what you guys are going to want to do is just scroll down until you find battery. So as you guys can see, battery's right there. And then in battery, just go ahead and look for the low power mode option. And what you guys have to go ahead and do here is just make sure that you have this turned off. So as you can see, we do have it off right now, and that's perfect. And then once you guys have done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is back out of battery and go on over to general. Alright, so in general, what we're going to want to do here is just scroll down until you find background app refresh. And what you guys have to do here is just make sure you have this setting turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like that. So as you guys can see, now if you don't see Wi-Fi and cellular data, you could just choose Wi-Fi instead. That's going to be fine too. Just make sure that you guys do not have this turned off. But anyways, that is going to be all the settings that we have to go ahead and change on our iOS devices. Now, if you guys happen to be on an Android device and you also want to download the Halo Infinite app, you also have to go ahead and change one setting. It's not like the iOS though, it's only one thing you have to change. So to do it, it's pretty simple. Just open up the battery option on your settings app on Android, and you're going to want to look for the battery saver setting or the low power mode, and just make sure you guys have this setting turned off. So as you can see, we do have it off right now, and that's perfect. And then once you guys have done that, that's going to be all the settings that we have to change on Android. Now, if you can't find that battery saver option on your Android phone, you can actually just skip that step. You don't have to worry about it. So yeah. But now, guys, that we've changed those settings, we are now ready to download the Halo Infinite app and get our free code for the beta. So to go ahead and download this app, guys, is pretty simple. However, it is a tweaked app, and you will not be able to get it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So what you guys are going to have to do is go over to this site right here called uluhub.com. So go on over to uluhub.com, guys, and what we're going to want to do here is just use the search bar and just type in Halo, and there is the app name right there, Halo Infinite. Play Halo Infinite, and we're just gonna go ahead and tap on the app, and now it's gonna go ahead and say install required. We're just gonna tap start, and now we just have to wait for this to load, guys. Give it about like 5 to 15 seconds, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app, guys. But just make sure you keep on watching here until the end of the video. There is one final step that we have to go ahead and complete in order to finish downloading this Halo Infinite app, guys, and get our code. So it's gonna go ahead and say missing files. We're gonna go ahead and tap go, and go again. And this is like the last step, guys. So before you can finish installing the app, it's gonna go ahead and say Halo Infinite installer. Download the additional files below to continue. So this is the last step. You have to go to complete every single one of these offers here on this list. And once you complete all of them, then the full Halo Infinite app will be downloaded and you'll be good to go. So to go ahead and get started, just tap on one of the offers, and like before you tap on it though, make sure you guys read the instructions. And then go ahead and tap on the app, and once you do one offer, then you head back and do the rest of them. And after you've done all the apps, right, then Halo Infinite app will be installed, and now you can go ahead and get your beta code for free, guys. Now I don't want to make this video super long, so I'm not going to do all these apps, but basically once that's done, Halo Infinite beta app will be installed, and now you can go ahead and get your code, guys. So yeah, but I already redeemed this code, so there's no point in you guys trying to redeem it. So I mean, like, after I finish recording here, I'm going to go ahead and redeem that and start playing it on my PlayStation. You guys will have to go ahead and do it on your own here and just do all the offers, and you should be able to get your own code easily. So that's going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below, and peace out, guys.